This is part 2 of fermentation. If you recall, our last video was on fermentation. In this video, we are diving a little deeper. As you become more comfortable with fermentation, it's time to take your skills to the next level and explore some advanced techniques. These methods involve more complex processes and can produce unique and flavorful results. Fruit and vegetable fermentation is an excellent way to use up excess produce and create delicious and tangy snacks. It involves fermenting vegetables and fruits in brine and spices, resulting in a tangy and bright flavor. Secondary fermentation is a technique that involves fermenting a product a second time to enhance its flavor and carbonation. This technique is widely used in brewing kombucha. The steps involved in secondary fermentation involve transferring your already fermented liquid to a jar and adding flavors like fruit or herbs. The benefit of this is the increased flavor. Then seal the jar and allow the mixture to ferment for 1 to 3 days until it has achieved the desired carbonation level. This improves the shelf life. Make sure to burp your jar daily by slightly opening them to avoid pressure buildup and potential explosions. You can also use specially made fermented lids. While fermentation means that you are not using a starter culture, but rather relying on the naturally occurring bacteria in the air and on the produce. This technique can produce a unique flavor profile that is hard to replicate with a starter culture. These techniques are just a few examples of the numerous ways you can experiment with fermentation. Remember to always follow proper safety measures and have fun exploring the exciting world of fermentation. I hope I was able to convince you to give it a try in the first fermentation video and hopefully convince you to take it a step further with secondary fermentation. Fermented foods offer nutritious benefits from aiding in digestion to boosting your immune system. Fermenting your own food may seem daunting at first, but with practice, you'll soon become a pro. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by continuing to watch our videos and subscribing today.